Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at another case for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now this is a wallet case with a credit card slot. It also has PU leather, kickstand, phone grip holder. It's magnetic, lots of features, made by AHTONG. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. It's the AHTONG. Now that's AHTONG. I hope that's the right pronunciation. If it's not, please forgive me. But it's the case for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra wallet case with credit card slot, holder case. You can hold 4 cards, car mount function, PU leather wallet case for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. All right, different colors. You got green, you got brown, and a red leather, and the black leather. I couldn't find the brown leather. I like that one. I didn't see that one in there for order, okay? And I got the black one right there. That's a picture right there. Here's the look with the kickstand, the ring to hold it for the phone holder, and you got some shock resistant protection. All right, now I'll put the link in the description for you want to get this, okay? Now here's the package it comes in. Pretty simple package, made in China there. Not much on the back. Jelly case, screen protector, waterproof bag. None of that stuff is in here, just the case itself. All right, let's get this stuff to the side right here. Now here's the case. You got a smooth area inside. It's just kind of hard in the back, polycarbonate-like. The sides are stiff TPU. It's not soft, but it's TPU. And you got this PU leather on the back right there. It looks fairly decent. You got some stitching around there. Your camera's gonna be protected because you got this raised up area right here to give you some more padding there. So your camera should be protected. Now, you also got this area right here where you have the magnet, and you have this kickstand that you pull out, and it rotates 360 degrees, all right? So you can put your finger in here and use it as a phone grip, all right? And handle the case, you know. Plus you can use it as a kickstand right there, okay? And you can do it different ways. If you turn it this way, you can stand it up like that as well. So you got some flexibility with the kickstand right there. That's pretty good. Plus you got a magnet. And you got the wallet right here, all right? Let's get the device and put it inside and see what it looks like. Okay, now here's the Note 20 Ultra. Let's put this inside. Now, I hope that this fits decent, because what I've noticed in the past is these types of cases, the front doesn't really fit really well. It's not a good fit, but this one fits really well. And so it looks nice, feels nice in the hand, not too bulky, and you can put your cards in here, right? So this is a good case. Now, the back, the camera is got some, it's raised up just ever so slightly. And I think it's going to get protection there. So, but you might want to be careful with that. But I think you'll get the protection you need. Plus, you have this area right here. Now, again, you pull this out. You can use this as a phone grip to manage the phone. Give you some more flexibility there. You can get around the phone with one hand, no problem. All right. Plus, you got the you can watch movies like that. All right. You can do it a couple of different ways. Let's see if the phone stands up in this configuration as well. So it does there as well. All right. Now. That's pretty good. Nice looking case. Now on the lip, you got a little bit of a lip there. It's fairly low, but you got enough to get some separation there, so you should be okay. Sides come up pretty high, and so screen protection may be a challenge, but I like the slim sides, and it's got a slim silhouette. You can get your hand around the phone, no problem, and it's a pretty lightweight. So if you don't want to carry your wallet, you want to carry some cards with you, just stick this in the back, and these are 2 cards right here. And you can put 2 cards in there, no problem. You do have some elastic right there where this can stretch to get 4 cards in there, as you can see that. So that's pretty cool. And it's pretty secure. I don't think it'll fall out while you're using the phone. So it doesn't shake out, anything like that. So the cards will be secure. All right. Now, I'm sure wireless charge won't work with this. We'll check it, but I'm sure it won't work. But let's go ahead and take a look at wireless charge. Okay, we got the wireless charger out. Let's go ahead and put the phone on here, see what happens. Now you got that magnet on the back, so I'm sure it's not going to charge. And no matter where you put it at, no matter where you place it, it's not going to get a charge, right? Because you got that magnet on the back, all right? No charge there, okay? Plus it doesn't sit well. Okay, so that was a quick look at the AHTONG wallet case for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Very versatile case, offers lots of features. Phone holder, finger grip, magnetic attachment you can use in your car if you got a magnet in your car for a phone holder. So I think it's a good case. It's worth the money. About 13 bucks on Amazon, okay? Now, if you got any questions, leave them in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.